Lisa here with Fantasioso Foods. Today I'm going to show you how to cook our fresh pasta. First, start with a large pot. We recommend 5 quarts of water per 1 pound of fresh pasta. Once the water comes to a slight boil, we recommend that you generously salt the water. Woo! Be careful, it boils up here. The water needs to taste salty. Now, you wait for the pot of water to come up to a vigorous boil, and at that time, you add our fresh pasta. Now here's the important part. Place the lid back on the pot so it comes up to a boil as soon as possible. Now, you just wait for the water to boil, take a listen, even a peek, and then once the water comes up to a boil, you can remove the top. We recommend you cook it for 2 to 4 minutes, depending on the size and the shape, and that you slightly undercook your pasta because we want you to finish it in your sauce of choice.